Evening. So after 3 months or so being pretty much stuck indoors, just around my local area for little walks, decided today, after lockdown was lifted, to give Snowdon a go. I've not been up the Watkin path before, but I heard it's beautiful, so I'll give it a go. So I'm going to clip it on now and see how it goes. It's 4:30, so hopefully about 7:30 should get to the top, I'm hoping. Okay, I'll clip on to the bit. Bye. Sorry about that, it took a while, didn't it? Right, let's do this. Hi.
Alright.
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright.
Yeah, so like I said, this is the first time I've been up this path, and I've heard it's probably one of the best, nicest, like, yeah. You've got this ancient forest you walk through now, and lots of waterfalls. Now, I've done Snowdon about 7-8 times. Llanberis path a few. Done Pig Track, Manners Track, and what's the other one called? Snowdon Ranger path. Something a bit different this time. I haven't filmed any of the others. So I've only just got into filming. Took a few little videos, but nothing to put together. Like. Right, so I'll turn it back on in a bit. See you in a bit. Don't know what this used to be honest, but it's pretty cool. Right, let's carry on. So how gorgeous is this? mind putting the camera in that bit there, looks really clear down there, but muffles the sound for a while then. Gorgeous. Wow, look how clear that is. How clear that is. Selfie. That's gorgeous. I might put it in there on the way home. It's not too dark. Loving this path already. So clear. Sun's coming out again. Right, I better get back to the path and I'll join you again in a bit. This really is gorgeous. Can't believe I haven't been on this path before. So nice. That bridge. Oh, look at that water. Stunning. Right, I'm going to have to do some underwater footage here. See you in a bit. even if you're not planning on climbing Snowdon, it's worth it to come here just for this, to be honest. So nice. This place is amazing. You really have to be here to appreciate it properly. So off a bit, I'm going to go back on again in a minute. don't know what this building was, but imagine this was your house or your work. You've got that outside your window. That's what. I'm not looking forward to crossing that bit, to be honest. I think that's where you cross. Have a little look up here first. I'm not trying to cross there either. Infinity pool there. Got a feeling there might be a place to cross it over there. So we're going to go in that direction. But I'm heading. Quiet now. You can hear me. Good walk over there. You see the pig track as well. Good, Sylvan. There's a track going up there. I think that might be over to it. That's where I want to go. Anyway, I'm going to turn it off now. See you in a bit. Bye. So I've not filmed anything for a while. I've been trying to get on with it, to be honest. And just having a break now. Feeling knackered, so just gonna have some food and drink, and then make my way up there. So it shouldn't be too much longer, you know. I did go to on a different path, South Ridge path. I've seen some bloke coming down there, and he said, I said, what path's that, mate? And he said, South Ridge. I said, any good? And he said, yeah. So I went to that one, and I thought, no, I'll stick to the path I don't know, but I've done some research on this path, so got an idea. I don't want to go in somewhere I don't know. Do it another day. Plus, told people that I'm doing this path, so anything happens to me, then at least I know where I'll be, hopefully. So yeah, I'm just going to finish some betties and a banana and have a drink, and then I'm on my way up there. Okay, see you in a bit. Just hit some mega views. Snowdon up there. Now before, when I said the pig track was on my right, I was well out. Right, so that bottom path there, I'll zoom in. That path there is the miner's track, and then the path above it is the pig track, and then above that is Cribgorch, the ridge there, leading on to Snowdon up there in the fog. But yeah, the views amazing from here. I think that is a Clwyd. I might be wrong. I'd love to just, it looks close, but maybe another day. Just want to get on with this now and get up Snowdon. So look at that, gorgeous. Right, see you in a bit. Battery's really low, so I'm not going to do too much more filming. Okay, see ya. Right, here we go. This is where the fun starts. Looks quite daunting, to be honest, but it's got to be done. I like that rock over there. Nice, let's do it. Catch you on the climb. Right, so I'm at the top of the walking path now. And you just see in the distance there the cafe, Snowdon Summit. It's lots of fun. Can't see anything. I didn't bother filming climbing the last bit because you couldn't see anything, so it wasn't worth it. It wasn't hard to climb as I've been told though. It's more scree than climb, so it's just a bit slippy rather than tricky. Anyway, film again when I get to the top. See you in a bit. Bye. Right, there's the summit. I honestly thought there'd be queues everywhere. I didn't think I was going to come this far because I thought it'd be too busy. It's the first day of opening, official opening, since the 5 mile rule and lockdown changed and they opened all the car parks. And honestly, apart from at night, this is the first time I've been up here and there's been no one here. I can't believe it, apart from me and the seagull. Anyway, I've got some hand sanitizer in my bag, so there we go, it's official. What's going on top of this? Stay that, someone's been cleaning it, I think. Steven Seagal. Steven Seagal. I can't believe there's nobody up here. I was gonna put the GoPro down and do a time lapse video for about 5 minutes of everyone going up. Thought it'd look pretty cool, but there's nobody here. Right, I'm gonna sit down, have some food, drink, and get off back down. Right, see you in a bit. Bye. Right, I'm back at the car now. Enjoyed that walk. It was nice. It was quiet, as you could see when I got to the top. I seen 5 people on the way up and 1 on the way down, and that was it. So it's nice to have it that quiet, considering lockdown's just dropped and it's all open now. It was nice. So it's quite chilly on the top, but anyway, it's gone off now. The light's gone. So I'll say good night, and please like and subscribe to my channel. That'd be great. Thank you. Bye. Good night.